So I'll go ahead and start with the first tank repair that we ever did back in 2005. It was on a high-density stock tank at a pulp and paper facility in Tennessee in the U.S. And they had approached us because they were having issues with isolated defects in the upper third of their tank. And within this high-density stock tank, what was happening is as the product level would raise and lower, oxidation was happening due to the pulp within that tank sticking to the walls and creating corrosion cells. Those corrosion cells resulted in these 900 through-wall defects. So when they really understood the severity of the problem at around 2004, 2005, they had made a plan to fully replace the asset in 2008. They approached us because they were looking for a way just to bridge the gap. And we'll talk about this a lot, getting from A to B in these solutions, understanding what's the outcome. For them at the time, it was only to get an additional 3 years so they could budget and plan accordingly to not have to do a last-minute replacement of an entire tank that was critical to their process and revenue generation at the facility.